Welcome to Easy English Talk with Thon.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Portcast, the podcast where you improve your English by listening to natural conversations. My name is Thorn.
And I'm Danny. We're so happy you're joining us today.
Whether you're listening while driving, cooking, or relaxing, thank you for spending your time with us.
Exactly. Today we're going to talk about something we all experience every day, daily routines.
From the moment we wake up until we go to bed at night, our habits shape how our day goes. And routines aren't just about work or study. They affect your mood, energy, and even health.
So in this episode, we'll share our own routines, talk about why routines are important, and explain some key English vocabulary along the way.
Let's start with the morning. How do you usually start your day, Danny?
Well, I wake up around 6:30 a.m., usually when my alarm rings. Sometimes I snooze it once or twice.
I can relate. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch a little before getting out of bed.
Stretching is great because it wakes up your muscles and helps you feel alert.
Exactly. Then I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. It helps me feel fresh.
I do the same. After that, I drink a glass of water to hydrate.
Hydrate means giving your body water to feel awake and healthy. I try to do that too.
Breakfast comes next. I like eggs with toast or sometimes a smoothie.
I usually go for something light like oatmeal or toast. It gives me energy without making me feel too full.
After breakfast, I check my schedule for the day and plan what I need to do.
Planning ahead really helps. It's like preparing your mind for a productive day.
What about exercise? Do you do any in the morning?
Sometimes I do a short walk or a few stretches. Yesterday, for example, I spent 10 minutes stretching while listening to music. It felt really refreshing.
That's a great tip for listeners. Even 5 minutes of movement in the morning can help you feel awake and ready.
Now let's talk about the afternoon. For me, afternoons are usually busy with work or studying.
Yes, that's when I focus on important tasks too. But sometimes after lunch, I feel a little sleepy.
That's common. We call it an afternoon energy slump. To avoid that, I take short breaks, just a couple minutes to stand up, stretch, or walk around.
I do the same. Taking even a small break helps your mind recharge.
And lunch is important too. I usually eat something light, like a salad or sandwich.
I prefer something healthy too, maybe quinoa with vegetables or a turkey sandwich. Heavy food can make you feel sluggish.
Exactly. After lunch, I tackle my main tasks. Sometimes I focus on one project at a time, sometimes a few smaller tasks.
I like that approach. It keeps you organized and productive.
It's also a good time to review vocabulary words or practice English if you're learning. For example, I often explain words like recharge, which means regaining energy, to myself or learners.
Yes, and sluggish is another word learners might hear. It means feeling slow or lacking energy, often after a heavy meal.
Now let's move to the evening. After a long day, I like to relax.
Same here. For me, evenings are perfect for winding down. Sometimes I listen to music, sometimes I take a short walk.
Dinner is usually simple for me, like pasta with vegetables or a rice bowl.
I often eat grilled chicken with vegetables. Keeping it light helps me sleep better.
After dinner, brushing your teeth and washing your face is a small but important routine. It signals the end of the day.
Yes, and I like to spend some quiet time reading or listening to music before bed. Avoiding screens helps me sleep.
I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. What about you?
Around 10:30 p.m., sleeping consistently helps me feel refreshed the next day.
So, today we covered morning, afternoon, and evening routines.
Yes, and we also included vocabulary words like hydrate, sluggish, recharge, and more.
Remember, routines aren't just about productivity. They're also about balance, taking time to relax and take care of yourself.
Exactly. And listeners, you can try some of these routines in your own life and practice your English at the same time.
Thank you so much for listening to Portcast today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Take care and have a productive and balanced day.